Hi guys, this is 2009 Toyota Kluger. So I'm doing today how to adjust for the rear brakes. So you have to first need to jack up and off the rear wheel. Then you can see some rubber grommet in here. We have to remove that one. And we have to turn the thing. Then you can turn the wheel. So I off the brake rotor, you can now see easily. So this is the two brake liners. When you press the brake handbrake push down, these two liners getting expand. So this one also getting low. The rear shoe also, you can see here two springs. Also this side. So this is we can adjust the brake adjuster. So you can see here I put the brake upward, they're getting adjusted. Okay, now we're going backward, then they're getting loose the brake. Then I put back this rear brake. It is and you can see here in this hole, we know now that in the center in the adjuster in here, we got to get the hole be center. Then you can adjust the brake. And you can turn the rotor. We have to move. Let's adjust again. Normally I'm doing adjust the full. Okay, now you can see you can't rotate the rotor. So now I'm little bit release the rear shoes, going the backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can hear the noise for the touching of the liners to the rotor. That's enough. So all good. We have to put back the grommet back in. That's all. That's the end of the video. So you have to do the both sides same way, same procedure. So thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one. Thanks.